it all stacked. If you want to see how I got this all chopped up, then stay tuned. Vloggers, what's up YouTube? Today on TripleChip's Adventures vlog, this is the backyard edition. We're gonna, if you would have watched my unbox the box, which I'll leave in the details here, shows the unboxing of this we did the other day. Now we're gonna chop some wood with this. So we'll just throw you in a time lapse because we're gonna chop this all up. Try this 4-ton splitter. So just stay tuned. Woo! Dang, son! Look at the pile of wood I chopped. So if you need to do some chopping, make sure you pick up one of these. They work really simple. All you gotta do is just push on this button, handle down, and that's what's gonna force your log into that wedge here. They do have another adapter you can put on here, so it cuts into the board for 25 bucks, but they didn't have any of those at the time. So if you want to save your back some trouble, still have to do a lot of stacking, as you'll see at the beginning of the video, but I'm not a young guy anymore, so that's a lot of chopping. So if you like this, watching this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, chip out. Vlog is over.